Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale on a maximized 200 square meter lot with a floor area of 221 square meters located here in Las Pinas City, Metro Manila. This property has fast access to the airport and also gives you quick access towards Sucat Road and also towards Pasay City. Now join us as we explore this property. Okay, so this house has a parking area that can fit 3 vehicles on a parallel parking arrangement. Let's take a look. So you have a high ceiling space here. You have a security gate on 2 sides of the house leading to the service area here. So the house just finished construction, that's why we still have some materials here that are gonna get cleared out. And you have another access gate here leading to the side of the house. So you have an entire tiled area here. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Now, this property has an open plan living, dining, and kitchen space. They were able to maximize the entire ground level to even have an additional room here and 4 rooms upstairs at the 2nd level. So you see, here you have your living area and you have this accent wall over here and cove lighting. You can have your television set over here. And then the entire other side of the house has these 3 large windows. 2 are sliding doors. This is a window, so you have all this natural light coming in here. And then this area is the dining space. That's why you have the cove lighting here. You can have a table here for 4 to 6 people. And then moving on, you have your kitchen space. Which has a very modern and refreshing look. You have this island countertop and they already included these 2 chairs. So this is already a dining space on top of having your dining table here. It's already functional and featured with an oven, a microwave, a range hood, a cooktop. This is La Germania branded, and a double sink here. And you already have an LG branded refrigerator. So ready for move-in, ready for use. On top of that, they have already installed a split-type air conditioning unit here. So curtains na lang talaga, and then your dining table and living room set, and you're good to go. Now, in terms of usability and functionality, they made sure to have a proper auxiliary kitchen space, and they have a nice tiled heavy wash basin over here, and then an additional cooktop space. And this is a rare addition usually in most brand new houses. But for this house, this is already included. They have a dryer and a front-loading washing machine already included. And naka-design na talaga siya dun sa yung auxiliary kitchen. It's indoor and so protected from the elements. I can imagine having your detergents set up here. So very organized. And you have a metal security door here leading out to the side. So the village is very safe, secure. You have 24-hour security, but of course, on top of that, you still have your main gate. You have an additional security gate here and an additional metal gate for your auxiliary kitchen space. You have an elevated water tank here, water pump, and then on this side, you have your staff room, and then you have a bathroom here, okay? And then you can walk all around the house on this side and maximize the space by making this an additional patio area. So let's head on back to here. So you can have a table here, coffee table, couple of chairs. There. Okay. Now, we're not yet done with the ground level. We still have your powder room on this side. And your powder room is a full bath. And I like that they have that window. So this gives your powder room and bathroom a lot of ventilation and light. Okay. So, as I mentioned, this property just finished construction. That's why the mirrors were just installed very recently. And that's why we still have some materials here that are going to get cleared out in the next few days. This is just going to get fixed up. And you see, they have the aircon already installed. Pero naka-wrapping pa nga eh. So you see, it's all brand new. It's all just waiting for you. Okay. I love how massive this window is. So sobrang well lit. Now, in addition, there is going to be a tempered glass here. And then this is going to get finished. So we're just showing you this house because it's almost completely finished and it's already in the market now. And this is gonna get done in the next few days. And maybe within the next 1 to 2 weeks. But you see, it's very sturdy in terms of the construction. And they have this metal frame also. Okay, now we're here at the second level. And I love how they were able to maximize the space to have a hallway na medyo nakakahinga ka naman. But at the same time, still have 4 separate rooms. Okay, let's take a look first at this room. Let's consider this the second bedroom. So this bedroom is a corner room and it's at the back of the house. It's facing the east, so the east side of the property is here. The west is towards more of the front of the house. And I like the quality of the cabinetry that they used. Nice color contrast. And then once again, a full bath space. So completely brand new. Here with a large window. That window is rather large for a bathroom, but that gives you a lot of light and ventilation. Here is the third bedroom. So it's also at the back of the house, the east side of the house. And it's a modest size, but this can easily and comfortably fit a single bed, maybe even a double bed. And they have an aircon already. And The cabinetry, once again, is built in. There. Okay. And once again, with a solo bathroom. Usually for a lot size of 200 square meters, sometimes it's just a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom property. But I love how they were able to maximize this one. So you have the last 2 bedrooms, the 4th and 5th bedrooms are the west-facing ones. So they're both corner rooms. That's why you have these large windows. They're the ones that make the facade so appealing. And you have a provision here for a central light, depending on what you want to get once you purchase this house. And once again, it has an air conditioning unit, storage once again, and a solo bathroom. So, ang maganda also with this property is walang shared bathroom for the rooms upstairs. So that's great for the privacy of the occupants. And this 5th room is what we would consider the primary bedroom. There is a difference in terms of the size of the room. See? So the dimensions are bigger. You can have a bigger bed here. And you have, once again, a split type air conditioning unit and oversized windows here. This is where you can have the CCTV control also if you want to have that monitor so you can see what the cameras see throughout the property. And then you have your bathroom here. Bathroom has a tempered glass shower enclosure, high ceiling also. And if you're thinking, why isn't there a double sink? Of course, that's the trade-off in terms of maximizing the property. Imagine for a 200 square meter lot, you have 5 bedrooms, all with 5 bathrooms, and with a comfortable space also, all with storage already. Except of course for the den downstairs, which you can maximize as a home office and as a multi-purpose room. Okay, so that ends our quick tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to know more about our future projects, you can click that like button and that subscribe button. And if you have a project that you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.